So guys, this video is about Gmail. How can you connect Gmail into landing email? So many customers were asking how to connect Gmail into the landing email. It's very easy. First you have to go to this myaccount.google.com and choose the Gmail which you want to connect with landing email. In my case, I have choose this email and just click on security, or you can just type two-step verification, and you have to verify with your number if you haven't done that. So once it's done, it's very simple guys. You have to just click search app passwords. If you have already created, then you have to create a new app password. First name, let us name landing email. Okay, then I will click on create. See, I got the app password which I will copy over here. Okay, let me now go and click on new server, SMTP, and the password will be the app password which we created from here. Then the Gmail will be our SMTP username. The host name will be smtp.gmail.com. The port will be 587 and it would be SS. Yeah guys, it got connected. So we'll name this the Gmail which we'll use to send email. Okay, we can choose the speed limit and everything. Now let us just reconfirm. Yeah, the Gmail is connected. It was very easy guys. Now you guys can connect Gmail with landing email and send emails, but I wouldn't recommend if you are doing for if you are dealing this with for business emails. I would always say always have a business email. If you are doing email marketing, Gmail is okay for some sort of email marketing, but I wouldn't recommend it. So this is all about today's video guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.